Hello, my name is Peter Magpayo, and I'm a scanning specialist with Kevin Root Medical. The purpose of this video is to go over the Manage Patients feature of our Foot ID app. The Manage Patients feature can be accessed through the main menu, and it gives doctors and clinicians the ability to add a patient, delete a patient, update patient information, and upload a patient order to Kevin Root Medical. From the home screen, open the main menu and select Manage Patients, and you'll be taken to the patient list screen. At the top left of the screen, you'll see a back arrow. If you select this back arrow, it will exit the Manage Patients feature and take you back to the Foot ID home screen. At the top right, you'll see a three-dot icon which opens up a pop-up menu. Selecting Home from this menu will also exit Manage Patients and take you back to the Foot ID home screen. The pop-up menu also gives the option to sort your patient list by name, last modified date, last submitted date, or last saved date. At the bottom of this menu, you have Batch Delete. Selecting Batch Delete will open up another patient list screen, which gives you the option to select one or multiple patient files for deletion. After selecting one or more files, you'll have the option to confirm delete or cancel the delete. We'll just hit cancel, and it will take us back to the patient list screen. At the bottom right, you'll see a blue button with a plus sign inside. This is the option to add a new patient. Just like new Foot ID, you can enter the patient's first name, last name, and date of birth. Once you enter that information, you'll have the option to add a scan, add a form, add a photo, or add a video, or you can just add patient. This will take you to the patient information screen, and you can just hit the back arrow to go back to the patient list screen. To update a patient information file, select the patient name from the patient list and select Patient Info. You'll then be given the option to edit patient info, and you can add further patient information such as address, email, phone number, height, weight, or gender. Let's go ahead and update the patient's phone number. Once you've finished updating the patient's information, you can select Apply or Cancel. We'll just select Apply, and you'll see the phone number that we entered is showing on the patient information screen. Hit the back arrow to go back to the patient list screen. To upload a patient order, select a patient from the patient list screen. Be sure you have at least one scan and one form attached to the patient file. At the bottom right of the patient information screen, you'll see a blue button with a white cloud inside. Selecting this button will give you the option to either save the data to the cloud or submit an order to our lab. But before you can do this, you must select the clinician assigned to this particular order. If you select Save Data to the Cloud Foot ID will prompt you and ask if you'd like to add a note. You can select yes, add note and save, or no, save without note. For this example, we'll just hit cancel. You'll also be asked the same question if you want to submit the order. You also have the option to say yes, add note and submit, or no, submit without note. We'll just go ahead and hit cancel again. And if you decide not to upload the patient's data, you can just select go back and it'll take you back to the patient information screen. To go back to the patient list screen, hit the back arrow at the top left, and to exit Manage Patients, hit the back arrow at the top left once again, and you'll go back to the Foot ID home screen. Thank you for watching. Take care.